Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Vivek Reddy. In previous video, we learned about supervised machine learning technique in which models are trained using label data under the supervision of training data. But there are may be many cases in which we do not have label data and need to find hidden patterns from the given dataset. So to solve such type of cases in machine learning, we need unsupervised learning techniques. In this video, we are learning about unsupervised learning and its types and how it works. So, unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning in which models are trained using unlabeled dataset and are allowed to act on that data without any supervision. In unsupervised learning, the training data is unknown or unlabeled data, meaning that no one has logged that data before. Without accept of unknown data, the input cannot be guided to the algorithm, which is where the unsupervised term originates from. Unsupervised learning cannot be directly applied to regression or classification problem because unlike supervised learning, we have the input data but no corresponding output data. The main goal of unsupervised learning is to find the underlying structure of the data, group that data according to the similarities, and represent that data in comprised format. This data is fed to the machine learning algorithm and used to train the model. The training model tries to search for the pattern and give the desired response. And coming to types of unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning can be further categorized into two types of problems. One is clustering, second is association. Clustering is a method of grouping the objects into clusters such that objects with the most similarities remains into a group and the less similarities or no similarities with the objects of another group. Cluster analyze finds the common similarities between the data objects and categorizes them as per the presence and absence of those similarities. And coming to associations. An association rule is a method which is used to find the relationships between the variables and in the large data set. It determines the set of items that occurs together in the data set. The rule makes marketing strategy more effective, such as people who buying X item are also tend to purchase Y item. A typical example rule in market basket analysis and how it works. Here we have taken unlabeled dataset, which means it is not categorized and corresponding outputs are also not given. Now this unlabeled data is fed into machine learning model in order to train it. Firstly, we will interrupt the raw data to find the hidden patterns from the data and then we'll apply suitable algorithms such as k-means, clustering, decision tree, etc. Once it applies suitable algorithms, the algorithm divides the objects into groups according to the similarities and difference between the objects and it gives the desired output. Okay. Suppose the unsupervised learning is given an input dataset containing images of different types of cats and dogs. The algorithm is never trained upon the given dataset, which means it does not have any idea about the features of the dataset. The task of unsupervised learning algorithm is to identify the image feature on their own. Unsupervised learning will perform this task by clustering the image dataset into the groups according to the similarity between these images. So that is for this video, and thank you.